everyone, I just wanted to show you what I was up to this weekend. And I got these trumpet tulip bead caps, and I put the little 8mm glass crackle beads that I got for Christmas in them. So here's all of them right here. Let's see, I got blue. I put blue with green, and I put blue with this color. I ran out of these, and then I substituted with green. I did this color. I did this color. This is like a pink and orange, and it kind of goes with that. I didn't really want these frosted ones. I'm not a fan of frosted ones, but that's all I could get on Amazon. I'm sure BB Craft or one of those might have them, but I had an Amazon gift card. I wanted to use that up. So they're frosted, and the ones I had before were the one I got from a swap on Facebook were a little bit bigger than this, and they had like little swirlies like on them. It's like a little swirl design. They were so nice. They were plastic, but they just weren't frosted like this. And so that's what I was up to this weekend with all these, and I'll show you how I did it. I'll show you one of them. I lost a bead cap on the floor, and I swept up, and I still can't find it, so who knows where it is, but I got one left, and I'll show you what I did. A lot of them I put a little seed bead on top because I did a few without them, and then I felt like something was missing. Like here, I'll show you. I did this one without a little bead cap at the top, and I felt like something was missing. So then I did it with the bead cap. I don't know. I think it kind of gives it a little something there instead of this little hole. What do you like better? I think the bead cap finishes it off. The seed bead finishes it off. But anyway, I'll show you quickly what I did. So I got a head pin. Where are they now? I just organized everything. Oh, here they are. I put them in this little thing. Okay, so I just got a 1-inch head pin because I think these are like 15mm. So all you need is a 1-inch head pin. All right, and I got the little bead. Let me move these out of the way. Kind of see this better. I got the bead. I put it in. And then I just put the bead cap, right over it. Like that. And I held it tight. I got a seed bead. This is tough when your nails are getting long. I got a little seed bead. I used the ones at Hobby Lobby. They're the 8/0 size crystal clear glass bead. I use those. All right, put that like that. I did all of these last night. There was 150 of them, supposedly. And then you just curl it, whatever, like that. And sometimes you gotta just straighten it out a little bit. And there you have it. So I'm gonna hang that on my journals. Oh, and Stace, if you're watching, I want you to see what I did. What did I do with it? Those bags you gave me, the little swag bags. Look, I put one right here. Isn't that so cute? And it goes with this little bag here. I just wanted to show you that those were adorable. Thank you for giving them to me. So that's all, everybody, for today. That's what I was up to this weekend. I did not go to Hobby Lobby because it is getting ridiculous now. I don't need anything. I have everything. And I think I'm going to give myself a little bit of a break until the next clearance starts, unless I need something. But I was looking through everything that I had, and you know, we have so much stuff that we don't use. It's like ridiculous. So I want to start using everything I have. There, I said it. Now let's see if I can stick to it. It's almost like a New Year's resolution. It's only going to happen for a week, right? We'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.